regardless of outside circumstances, I want you to make sure to appreciate every moment that you live, every opportunity you get to breathe, every second that you get a chance to look at what's in front of you, whether it's a problem or an opportunity. If it's your own fucking soul looking at yourself in the mirror, appreciate it. Find the good in that bitch. Find the good in that bitch. This world has a lot of development to do. We are the result of bad decisions. Right now, everything we're experiencing is literally us making a shit ton of bad decisions, and it's perpetually happening. It's become a way of life. It's how things are. It's a system, and you're either gonna win or you're gonna fucking lose. I'm not here to change anything except my fucking self. I'm not here to change anyone except my fucking self. Improve me every fucking day. Just keep improving me. I don't give a fuck about anything else. Just me. Improving fucking me. That's all I have. It's just me improving me. Becoming the best fucking version of myself that I can. Got this on illegal. But they're in a Honda. They don't need all those 3 lanes. Just